Good morning, beautiful peeps. The sun is so hot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start my little morning vlog. I'm coming from work, guys. I'm coming from work, and this is Zehrs. That's Zehrs Plaza right there, okay, guys? All right, and we're gonna go to Zehrs, and I'm gonna do a seafood boil. So me and my girlfriend, we're gonna do a seafood boil. I'm gonna pull my little rump into Zehrs now. It's kind of nice. Nobody's here. It's early, so we're gonna go in and see what we find. I'm tired. Am I too early? So it's open, guys. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. So good morning, come on into Zehrs. Okay, guys, we're going in. All right, let's go. These are the jumbo ones, so they're on sale, so I'm gonna buy some of these. Maybe I buy two packs of these. I see some wingy lobster tail here, so them so expensive. Me mama, me karata jaja, look at lobster tail, them expensive. Sister and brother, look here. But anyhow, me I go buy two. So now, guys, we have lobster, we have shrimp, 3 types of shrimp. All right, and we're gonna get corn and potatoes, and that's it. I'm gonna just pick up 1 pack of corn. They're on sale, so we're gonna pick up a big one. No, that one will be okay. This one's okay, guys. We're gonna pick up 1 pack of that. We're gonna pick up some potato. So they have different ones. I think I'm gonna pick up a mix. This one is better. I'm not showing myself. I have no teeth in. But anyhow, I'm gonna bring this stuff over to Simone, and then she's gonna buy the rest. All right, guys, I don't eat a lot of these seafood things, so we're just gonna do a quick little video, just a little quick thing. All right, and this is me, guys. All right, so focus. So sooner or later, okay, guys? All right, and I'm gonna change off later. I'm not gonna be in this. I'm gonna sleep, and then we're gonna go. So I'll catch you later.
This is a patty sauce.
She said that the patty sauce. You hear her, guys? Ha! You catch her in my video. So my peeps, we had Simone. Say hi, Simone. You look nice, Simone. You look nice, guys. Say hi, no, Simone?
No.
No? Alright, she don't want to say.
Well, I can say hi, but not funny.
Look how your hair look nice and neat. And look how she catch up her hair, guys. She look pretty.
I always catch up.
Dwayne, me see your hide. Oh, what Javana are doing? Oh, that just passed and hide.
I think you know.
Alright, guys, so I'm here now.
Big, you know?
Yeah, oh yeah, that's a big pot. So she put the pot, and guys, I put all the things in my freezer, and now she have cussed me out. So this is what I'm eating. She give me a little bit of rice and peas, and
so why not show them the other plate you carried at work? You only show them that boy you take off now.
No. So guys, she give me some rice and peas. Well, I know a little bit. She give me some now, and I share it in a 2. So I eat some now, and carry some go to work, right?
I don't like it, you know, you don't know what time.
Do you not cuss me out? Do you know this make me eat some food? Alright, guys, you see my pretty face doing?
Yeah.
You see I put on makeup and look pretty? You see? What?
You see nothing.
So, move on.
So move on there. Yeah.
Oh, you have your teeth in? Let me see.
Yeah, yes, me go back to my teeth. Guys, me like my teeth, I'm have to drive, go back for it. Choo. Alright, guys, so this is some Jamaican coleslaw. Coleslaw, right?
Yes.
With cabbage, carrot, and all of that. And she
So make it look
one
like
chicken.
that. You just mix it up. That'll make it look awful. My goodness.
Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me show you. Because she said me make it look awful.
No, the food in the plate.
So she had a nice coleslaw where she make the guys. You see it? Let's show you what she make. She said she know what? Nobody thinks that she can't cook. Come over here, so do it. Let me show them where she cook. So she cook some.
No, you don't have to cook.
It's okay. It's okay. I look at. And some good rice and peas. So me take out some. All right.
So that's the gravy and the gravy.
You see, come here and do it. Can't do it. Pretty nice. So anyhow, guys, I'm gonna get a bite.
Only that I will make you cook. Every time you come, when we cook chicken, you come when we cook fish.
No, at two.
No, for only after. You could be talking.
Come on, you.
Well, the fish.
Because when you cook it, I still have me alone.
Oh, you get the
fish.
fish. Is fish expensive?
No, you get $10. Let me tell you about it, Cajun.
It's expensive.
No, like...
You buy the one with the head or the one without the head?
The red snapper.
Red snapper.
Oh. The one in the middle.
Oh, the food just would do some.
That's it, a potato?
Yeah, Larry?
Alright, guys. We're going to finish eat and then we're going to show you. We're going to make the seafood boil, okay? See you later. Alright, then. Let me eat it. Yeah, please, stop.
I thought I in a video.
I like that. Alright guys, so we're gonna start this seafood boil. Okay, so we have some corn, we cut them up nicely, and we have the potato like clean up and wash. Alright, and we have a big pot of boil here, you know guys, but we're not gonna do no crab today guys. Most of us in the house we don't eat crab, so we're gonna do lobster and shrimp and stuff. Okay. Alright, so here we have some seasoning. Season to your liking. Okay, so to the pot we're gonna flavor it up a little. We have some paprika, some onion, some garlic powder, some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and some fish seasoning. Okay, you want to have that fish taste. Okay, so we're gonna pour that in. Ooh, look at that. And we put some lemon. All right, some piece of lemon in there. We're gonna put this, what you call it, chicken bouillon. Chicken bouillon, whatever.
You can't take longer to cook.
Okay, so we're gonna put the corn first.
Make it cook a little bit. Because the potatoes are soft.
Okay.
Soft.
Alright, so we're gonna cook this for about 5-10 minutes and then we're gonna add the potatoes. Right, Simone?
Yeah.
Alright, Simone. How are you on here? Doing a lot. Side down. Alright. Put the potatoes. Oops. Alright guys, so now we're gonna put some sausage. Sausage gonna boil and give it the flavor too, you know. Alright. Egg. Alright guys, we're gonna put some eggs.
What we forget? How much? What for? You know what?
Put 6.
One.
7. So we put 7 eggs guys. Look on the pot here guys. It's a bubble. Alright. So now what you gonna do, madam? Oh, you're gonna put some butter. Alright, so we put about half stick of butter guys. You can use 3/4 or 1. It's up
supposed
to
to
you.
use our
one stick.
But this one.
And this is unsalted butter, okay? We're gonna add some onions. We're gonna let that caramelize and fry up. Alright. We also gonna add some of this Old Bay seasoning to the pot. We should have added before guys, but just add it, okay? Just a little bit, okay? Let that simmer. Alright guys, now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
It look like 10.
Like 10. Put to your liking, alright guys? To make it caramelize and full of flavor. Over here guys, we have our garlic and onion powder, but if you have the fresh cut garlic or minced garlic, you would go ahead and put it now and make it kind of fry up in the oil. Hurry the cook. So we can add the shrimp now. Okay. So now we're gonna put the lobster first.
And then the shrimp take like 3
And
minutes.
yeah,
How much did I put?
4. That's
Where's that then?
4.
That was 4?
Yeah, 4. So we add the lobster. We're gonna cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the shrimp now. All right, guys. So here we have chicken.
Bouillon. You can never call that
I can't
one.
call it name.
Bouillon.
And we have some onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. If you like it spicy, add more cayenne pepper. Lemon pepper, chili flakes, red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. And this is our fish seasoning. Because of fish, you want it to have that fish flavor. All of them, they are all
seafood, not fish.
Well, seafood boil. All of them, we add. This is 1 tablespoon. Oh, and we have 1 tablespoon of our Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. All right, so add to your liking. Okay, so most of them 1 tablespoon, and just the cayenne pepper is like which 1/4 teaspoon. And we're gonna add some Old Bay seasoning.
You know, Jamaican don't measure stuff.
Just throw it in. Oh, look at that flavor, guys. So we're gonna just stir that in. Oh. Yeah. Look at melt out. Oh, look at that.
I'm stirring it so I see it.
Hey guys, we're gonna put some chicken broth.
Yeah.
You can put about a cup or 2. It's up to you. Simone, you put about a cup, right?
Maybe half cup. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I just want to see how it looks.
And you're gonna let that come to a boil, right? All right, guys. Now we're gonna add the shrimp and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
And then we're done. Seafood boil done.
Lots of shrimp.
Lots of shrimp, eh? Because most people eat shrimp in this house, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm making guy but time to cook.
All right, guys. We're gonna let this simmer down now for 3 to 5 more minutes, and we're done. Okay. All right, guys. I have some dry parsley flakes. I'm gonna put a little bit, about a tablespoon. Put to your liking, okay, guys. And then after, you can sprinkle some on it. And we add about a cup and a half of this chicken broth. Okay, guys, we add a little bit more. So we're gonna let this simmer down now. When it's ready, I'm gonna taste it. All right, guys, everything done. We're gonna transfer it over here. Do it for him. Me see man chew off the juice.
Exactly, chew off the
No,
juice.
chew juice funny make people.
Angola.
Do any what you do now? Hungry? Do any go get it. You ready, Anna?
That's gonna know. But I don't know.
We're gonna eat now.
We're gonna finish. We're gonna finish transfer everything over here. And yeah, pour some in our bowl.
For myself. To dip.
So we have the lemon slices and with eggs and the seafood boil. All right, and now we're gonna dish out some. But if you have the bag, you can put it in. But we're just gonna put a little bit amount. So guys, we're gonna put some potatoes. All right, corn. You want the red one? It doesn't matter, right? We'll put some corn. 2 corn. We're gonna put.
Make sure, man. The shirt on free video.
Yeah, okay. 2 eggs, 1 lobster tail, just for the video purpose, guys. Some shrimp.
Yeah, okay.
I like lots of video. I will lick you, sister. So now, guys, we're putting this. You don't know what she said in a video. You know in a video?
I don't know.
What else is she putting? I think that's it. Eh? No, not more than that.
Add more shrimp. There's a lot of shrimp.
And 2 eggs, eh? The egg at the top. I think that's good. Alright, guys. And now, what we're doing now, guys, we're gonna take up the sauce with onions and all of that. I'm gonna put it over it. Make sure you see it good enough. Holy high. Why me to burn up? Hey!
Because the thing is thin.
Ooh! It a burn me to backside.
Yeah, put it low.
Yes. Guys, it a burn me behind ya. Anyhow, I like the onions on it. You see this? Ooh, and over the eggs. That's how they do it. So now, hey. There you go. Not too much. That's good enough, eh? And then I'm gonna set like 2 pieces of lemon slices in it too. And that's it. And now guys, I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of parsley flakes. How's that, Simone? Yes. You know, talk, Simone. And guys, this is it. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna enjoy and we're gonna share out the rest. Alright, and this is how I make, or me and Simone, we make the seafood boil. So we're gonna put it out back and we're gonna taste it for you, okay guys? This is our seafood boil. Let me take a nice picture you're doing. Oh, it looks so pretty. And Dwayne, you're gonna taste it, okay? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright. You use your hand, you know, anyhow you want it. Go down in a hit.
I use the hand and go down in a hit. Shrimp?
Yeah. You should have one, oh, you know, put it on this. You should have one, how it tastes? How it flavor? Is it too salt or is it okay?
But it's too spicy.
It's too spicy?
Not too spicy.
Just a little bit?
Someone maybe no one like it.
Oh, but you like it? That's okay? Enough spice?
No, you know, it is spice, but.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Alright, bite this egg or something else or potato, whatever. One more bite.
I'll try again.
Alright, good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is it. I'm gonna cheer out mine and I'm gonna taste it. Alright my peeps, yes, you see the pretty girl here now? Look what the face pretty. Guys, me forget me fast teeth, me I run home for it. I like me and tell doing. I don't lie, see them I eat, yeah? Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste this for you.
See them I eat, yeah. Open the way to find out what I'm doing.
So this is it. I hope you can see me. I'm gonna taste a little bit for you.
What is this? Huh?
It's kind of getting dark now, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys. We're gone. Have a good day. Bye. Good day, guys. Guys, I like to take out the yellow. Yellow part of egg. Sorry, Simone. And this is how we're gonna eat it.